Okay, welcome back, guys. There have been some people who wanted to know what this paint looks like in the sun, the depth of the paint. I'm going to try to get some good shots here, and hopefully this camera will pick it up. I was looking for the right time to actually do this. It's been raining a lot here in Florida, so it's one of the better days over the last like 3 weeks. So I'm not sure, and hopefully this will pick it up. It is really deep and rich, unlike the green color that they have that you could order, like any other metallic color. See if I could get in real close here. Wrap around the back. So again, this is deep green pearl effect. It's one of the exclusive colors. Let's see, maybe on the hood here with the contour of the hood. Try to get some close up here. And it has some really nice shades to it. It'll go from pretty much black to the light green that you see here and everything in between. So hopefully this picks it up. I don't know if there's a better way of doing this. If there is, you guys let me know and I'll do that. Trying to go into the sun here, not have it at my back, so this way you can see the reflection. It looks really nice when it's when you look at the front grille and the wheels and whatever, just the darker colors that offset it. This looks really sharp. I believe that the exclusive, at least for 2021, was a $3,900 upcharge. So